Well, guys, let's face it, we would all like to turn back the hands of time now and then, especially when it comes to hair loss. Well, I've got Helen with me from Ultra Hair. G'day, Helen.
Hi Adam, how are you?
I'm very well. Now, last week we talked about maintaining the hair that you have.
Yes.
This week we're talking about non-surgical hair replacement. Tell me, what does that involve?
There are many different types of techniques and methods of non-surgical hair replacement. The most popular and undetectable is using a very skin-thin membrane, along which also we could call a second skin, which has colour-matched human hair injected into its base, which we then, or stylists will then bond the membrane onto the balding area of the scalp with a medical grade gel. Once that is completed, the hair is then cut in and styled and integrated with the client's own hair, and end result will then be a full head of hair, the result of whatever client desires, whether it's 1 centimetre long or 20 inches in length.
Wow. And is it detectable at all? I mean, can you tell that someone's had this treatment?
Very undetectable. And depending, once again, on what their end result, what they would like to achieve as an end result, some clients like to wear a fringe, some would like to have a slick back look. Depending on what the client's desires would be is what we will cater for, and the type of hair that we'll also choose for them.
Okay. All right, so once the treatment's been performed,
yes,
what is the maintenance routine you need to
The maintenance routine is we then become the client's hairdressers, as they would then go to their normal hairdressers on a monthly basis. They will then be coming to visit us instead. They will then have a service with their hair, their second skin, which will then cut, cleanse and colour their own hair depending on what services they require for that period of time. The costs of these services are very much on par with what they would be paying if they were to go to their own salons, or a barber for a cut or a colour, whatever the case may be.
So whatever the normal cost of going to your hairdresser is, that's what the cost is going to be to maintain.
And time frames also.
Okay.
Yes.
What sort of effect have you seen on a client having this treatment?
They get their life back.
Wow.
Their confidence in life, a smile on their face.
And feeling good about yourself.
Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Fantastic.
Awesome. Well, if that's something that you would like to investigate, guys, please do get in touch with Helen here at Ultra Hair. Thank you very much, Helen.
Thank you, Adam.